Hi, we researched a large variety of products based on their overall performance, value for money, and reviews from thousands of consumers that have purchased them. Through research and side-by-side comparisons, we believe that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. If you choose from these models, you can be sure that you are buying a great product. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's see which are the best products this year.
Buck Knives is a family business. We want to make sure everything we make, it's exactly what people want.
This is a family legacy. It really is a giving back, so to speak.
My grandfather started Buck Knives, and so it's definitely a family business. He was about 15, and then later on he got married, and he was pastoring a church in Mountain Home, Idaho. And when the Hawaii got bombed, there was a call that went out for the servicemen to get some knives and stuff. And so he thought, well, I could do that. So in the basement of that church, he made 2,000 knives out of old files. He got the handle material from the canopies of the warplanes that they had in the scrap out there, and they were at the air base right next door. And so he used those for the handles, and that's how it got started.
The foundation of manufacturing is people and its processes and its attention to detail. We talked a little bit about a family company. Families care. That attention to detail is truly what happens when nobody's looking. And that attention to detail is what you'll notice when you're out in the middle of nowhere and you got to depend on a tool to get you out of there. So from heat treat to the people actually manufacturing, to assembly, to the fabrication of parts, all of those elements combined, we just pay attention. We just pay attention. So making sure that this company continues to function at the level of an American icon. It's more than just products. It's more than just messages. It is a heartfelt desire to inspire confidence in people so that if they're out on an adventure, if they're in the field, in everyday life, they've got a trusted companion that they can depend on. Everywhere we go, we hear stories from customers about how this knife saved their life, or how I went through the war or came back home, or whatever adventure they got through, this knife has become part of them. It's an extension of them. It's very personal. And so if you're going to build something that's going to connect with somebody so much, it better be darn good. That's the bottom line of what Buck Knives is all about.
The Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS is a large folding knife designed for rapid deployment and rugged reliability. To open the black 3.60-inch part-serrated clip-point blade, simply flip the safety switch to the off position, then engage the finger actuator. The magic opening system will then take over and deploy the blade. The rugged handle has perfectly placed finger contours for a secure grip. This is the Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS large folding knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
In 1964, driven by a desire to deliver a truly functional folder, my grandfather, Al Buck, introduced the Model 110 Folding Hunter. This American icon revolutionized the industry and has become the most famous imitated knife design of all time. The 110 transformed our marketplace, putting buck knives in the front line of the knife industry, as well as a central tradition among families. Building and designing the 110 Folding Hunter is quite the process. From the rivets and pins to the bolsters and sanding, the knives undergo many processes until they are buffed, edged, sharpened, and ready for purchase. So let me show you the 110 Folding Hunter. It comes in two different styles, basic or finger groove. The handle material is Macassar ebony diamond wood. It's real wood that's been infused with resin. Lockback design for safety. The brass bolster is beveled for ergonomic comfort. The 420HC stainless steel clip point blade is 3 3/4 inches long and 120 thousandths of an inch thick. The knife weighs 7.2 ounces and is made in the USA. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter is a classic, the '57 Chevy of knives. We honor our dedication to quality and function by covering each and every one of our products with our forever warranty. What does the forever warranty mean? It means that we expect each and every buck knife to be free of defects in material or workmanship for the life of the knife. Any buck knife that fails or is defective will be repaired or replaced with a new buck knife, free of charge.